Hello everyone, you are in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video we are going to show you how you can cut fabric for soft textile DIY toy. It will be a hare. We're going to use our CNC frame 3018 and 10-watt laser is installed. The speed is 300 mm per minute, one pass and full power. First 4 pieces are ready. Let's remove them. Keep in mind that the laser has to be in perfect focus if you want to have good results. Four more pieces. This is 0.3 mm cotton and also full power and 600 mm per minute. As you can see at the end we have all pieces. It took us about 25 minutes and here is what we get at the end, a DIY nice hare. Hope that you like this video and now you can make such a nice toys with a laser and with your imagination. If you have any questions, let me know and visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com.